to his enormous hands. And I hope he asks me to be his winter wife, cause messing with a big boy will change your life.